My name is Nicole Stadelmeier, and I am the Director of Marketing for Exit Success Realty. We're a small real estate company here in Martinsburg, West Virginia. Here at Exit Success Realty, we've been in business since 2006. We currently have 26 agents on our roster, and we're always looking to add more. I've been with Exit Success since August of 2020. Started during COVID, so that was interesting. I enjoy marketing. I love helping people, bringing the message to others about what it is we do and how we can help. Part of my responsibilities, of course, is marketing, but I also do a lot of our community events as well. So being out in the community and drumming up new business is something that I really enjoy. So our marketing strategy here is kind of a wide variety of things. We do digital ads, we do print marketing, we take advantage of social media, we even do some TV advertising, a lot of streaming with the new streaming that everybody seems to enjoy doing. So we do try to do a broad spectrum of things to bring in new business. Of course, one of the things that we do once an agent sells a property, or I should say once an agent closes on a property, the office will send out 100 postcards to a 1 mile radius of that address and help the agents market themselves to the neighborhood in which they just sold a property. Since we started using Wise Pelican, it's been over a year, we've added many new agents to our office. So we're doing postcard mailings at least 10 to 15 times a month. When I first started here, we were with a different company doing the postcards that we send out for our agents. Wasn't super happy with the postcards. It was a little difficult to use their program. So my boss gave me the go-ahead to try to find something else. So I did a little research and I came across Wise Pelican, and the postcards are much better quality. They're less expensive, which of course is a great thing for us. And it allows us to send out a quality product that people are really going to see and notice. I actually did a little study when I started this, and I had my performance review. I wanted to show my boss, basically that we were saving money with this, kind of, saving you money. How about a nice raise? I did a little analysis, and from April until August of last year, we had saved almost $4,000 in postcard mailings by using Wise Pelican. We've gotten business from the postcards. Some of our agents have had calls, because the postcard landed in somebody's mailbox and they were able to follow up with them and to get a sale of a home. So that's priceless right there. I think what's really great about Wise Pelican is how you're able to work in a specific area with a mailing list. That's huge. The other thing that we really like about Wise Pelican is, we choose 100 addresses, but if it's not a viable address, Wise Pelican refunds that money back to us, so that way we're not wasting money and resources on a postcard that isn't going to really go anywhere. We're just going to get it back in the mail. As I said before, I worked with another company beforehand, before switching to Wise Pelican, and I can tell you hands down, since I've been using them, their customer service has been great. They've taken really good care of me. Wise Pelican has a great product. The quality of the postcards, they're bigger than your traditional postcards, so they really get noticed. Even if somebody doesn't really keep it, they still see our information on there, and it puts Exit Success in front of their face. I would say if you're looking to do direct mail, you should definitely give Wise Pelican a try. Like I said, with real estate, sometimes you want to pinpoint an area to work in, and they're very, very helpful with that. There's several different ways that you can purchase mailing lists, and they make it super easy to be able to do that.